In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check incognito history in Google Chrome. Let's start with a quick reality check on what incognito mode actually does. When you browse in Chrome's incognito window, the browser doesn't save your browsing history, cookies, or site data to your local profile. That means, if you open the regular history tab in Chrome, you won't see any of the sites you visited privately. This is by design, and it's great for keeping your browser history clean on that device profile. However, your computer still keeps a short-term background record called the DNS cache. Think of DNS as the address book your computer uses to turn website names into the numerical addresses it needs to connect. For performance reasons, your system temporarily remembers the domains you visited, and that can include sites opened in incognito. This is a system-level cache, so it can also include entries from other browsers and apps, not just Chrome. To view this hidden list on Windows, open the command prompt with elevated permission. Click the Start menu, search for CMD or Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If you see a permission prompt, confirm it. The administrator level is important here because it ensures you can access and manage the cache without errors. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig, displayed, dns, and press Enter. You'll see a scrolling list of recently resolved domain names your computer has connected to. This isn't a full browsing history. It usually shows domains rather than complete page URLs, and it's time limited. Still, it's a useful snapshot that can reveal sites accessed during an incognito session. If you want to clear this background record, you can wipe the DNS cache. In the same command prompt window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a confirmation that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This removes the temporary record from your system. A quick note: after flushing, the first time you revisit sites, they may load a touch slower as the cache repopulates. This is normal and temporary. To verify the cache is cleared, you can run ipconfig displayedns again. You should see either no entries or a much shorter list as the system starts rebuilding it. And that's it. Chrome's incognito history won't appear in the browser's History tab, but the DNS cache can reflect recent connections. By viewing it and then flushing it, you've checked what's there and removed it for added privacy. You're all set.